What's up, friend? Your girl is back. Alright, so we hop right into this video. Ain't gonna waste no time. Alright, so first thing I did was I just took the skull, I'm about to say skull cap. What that thing called? The satin bonnet. I'm about to take the satin bonnet off my head. Then I took the hair bow off. And then what you see me doing right now is stimulating my scalp. This is one of the methods I did. And this has helped me grow my hair for a long time. People always ask me, what do you do to your hair to make your hair grow so long? I say nothing, absolutely nothing. This is my normal everyday routine. I'm going back to it to see if I can achieve waist length hair. So now I stimulated that scalp. Now I am putting some product on it. Okay, so what you're basically trying to do here is basically trying to saturate all your hair strands with whatever product you choose to use. Now I'm only using one in the video because I normally only use one product on my hair. Every now and then I will put two that would be like an edge control, but outside of that I really don't put another one product on my hair. I now stick with that product, try to stick with that product for the whole week. So you're gonna go ahead on and soak it in. Let your hair soak it all up. My hair was dry. You see how I was looking crusty. Alright, so gotta moisturize it all the way, get it back, bring it back to life. Bring it back to life, okay? So once you finish like moisturizing all your hair, getting your hair moisturized, getting a little kind of wet look, you're gonna separate the hair and then you're gonna twist it to your scalp. So that's what you see me doing now. I basically separated it, found my part from yesterday, and then I just twist my hair down. Okay, so you kind of want to do this neat as possible because again, we're not working with no hair tools. We ain't got no brush, we ain't got no comb or nothing. So the neater your twists look and the tighter that you do them, the better the hairstyle's going to look. Because we ain't brushing down nothing, we ain't got nothing to make it look real smooth. So you gotta make sure you just twist is on point. Okay, so now just putting the hair tie on now so that it can stay in place. And now we're gonna move over to the other side and do the same thing. Alright, so once you get to the back, this is what you gotta do. You gotta finish twisting it, and then you're gonna hold that one you just twisted real tight. And then you're gonna grab the other one and you're gonna pull the hair bow off. Once you pull the hair bow off, you're gonna grab all them together and make your ponytail. You want your ponytail to be tight, but your ponytail can't be too tight. I told y'all before in my shorts video. Yeah, when your hair too tight, your hair break off, okay? Then it's not a protective style because you're ripping your hair out your staying scalp, okay? Alright, so if you wanted to, you could stop here and this could be a 3-minute hairstyle, but I'm not because I'm not really feeling the way it looks. That's why this is a 5-minute hairstyle. So the ends is looking a little crusty and dry to me. So what I'm going to do is put some more product on there, try to bring it back to life, try to make it look better, trying to see if I can salvage this hairstyle right here and stop here, or do I need to do something else to make it look better. Okay, so once I did that, I felt like I ain't have enough time to sit there and take the time needed to get it right. So I'm just going to throw it in a bun. So I'm taking this ponytail loose. When you do that, make sure you hold everything tight, or you could just skip that whole point and just put it right inside a bun from the get-go, and this will be a 3-minute hairstyle. Okay, alright, so what you see me doing now is pulling some little hair off from the sides. I ain't no pro at this, that's why I don't really do these like this, but I like them, so I just thought practice makes perfect. So I'm gonna start working on that. Anyway, I'm just pulling the hair down to the side, putting some product on it, and then twisting it around my fingers. That's what they say you're supposed to do. That's how you make it work. That's how you get this look. Never quite mastered that. It always looked crazy. But anyway, side note, I will not be telling y'all about none of this product. The product, don't ask me down in the comments below about this product that I'm putting on my hair because I don't really like it like that. I ain't gonna say that it's a bad product. It's a good product, but it ain't got no wow factor for me, you feel me? Plus, I ain't getting sponsored, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't get paid to do this, not yet. I don't really like it, so I ain't gonna really endorse them like that. Stuff that I like and I stand by, I'll show y'all the product hands down, no point, no questions asked. But I don't really like this. But if you want to look for this product, you're gonna go ahead on and find it anywhere, because I ain't finna promote nobody. It's a kid's product. It smells good and it's pink. Y'all seen the jar. You know kind of what it looked like. If you want to find it, use it. Good. Yeah, that part. Anyways, y'all, this is the final product. I hope I didn't get too off topic because I have a problem doing that. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time.